So let's say that you want to join a meeting. Then what the other member can do is share you out the meeting link. And then what you can do is you can simply go around onto your address bar and access that link when you are signed in. So over here, you can see that I am using the web version right here. So I'm just going to go around and continue on the browser right here. So once I do that, what happens is that I will get access to that particular meeting right here, as you can see. So it says meeting now right here. So it says choose your audio and video settings, so you can turn it on or off right here. So I'm just going to turn both of it off right here and click on join now. So once I do that, what happens is that it says we have let the organizer know that you're waiting, and now what the other organizer can do is they can admit you out onto the meeting right here. So once they do that, what happens is that this is what you see. You are in the meeting, as you can see, and then now you can start conversing with the members who are there in this particular meeting. And that is how you can join a Teams meeting. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.